Hello, this is the entry specialist. What I have for you guys today is a Master Excell series combination lock. It's got a 38mm shackle and a 4-digit dial. This is one of the relatively newer design that you can reset the combination without a tool. So as you can see right now, the combination is 3403 and you can open it, it works. So to reset it, you have to put the shackle into position 1 and then push it down and then move it to position 2 and then just turn the dial. So right now I'm just scrambling the dial to a new number. Okay, and then pull it back out, put it into position 1, push it back down, just checking, make sure it's working, and then locking the lock. So let me just scramble the number again so I don't know the digit, and there you go, it's reset. So let's see how to decode these. All you have to do is let's pull down the shackle and then move each of the dial. Okay, let's get the camera focus. If the number is loose and wobbly, that's the right number. So if I go back to 8, it looks like 8 is the right number. So let's move on to the next number. So 9 is wobbly as well. So let's move on to the next number. 6. So there you go. And we have it open. The last digit, we can just rotate the dial 9 times and it's gonna work. So this is one way to decode this without tools. That's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe to keep the channel running. Have a nice day and see you all next time.